Good day, folks. How are you? So today's topic is the SL rail or the SL type rail. It's a question that comes up all the time from our customers. What is the SL? Where is it coming from? So that's one of the things that we will be discussing today. So one of our products that is called the Carina Neo. If you go on our page and you scroll all the way down, we actually have a section that it's named the SL type rails. So this is the rail that we are discussing about today. Your spine is not straight. It has small little bends and curves on it that has the S shape. So that's where the S comes from for the rails itself. So you can see small little curves. It takes the shape of your spine. So that's why when you sit in the chair, you feel as if it's touching every single part of your spine, your back, and it actually gives the depth, strength of the massage as well. And then you have the L, which is the length of the roller, which is from the neck all the way down to your bottom area. So that's why it's called the SL rails or the SL type rails. Now, you have, for example, one of our products, older products that we used to have Norma. Now we have the Zeta Neo. Um, this chair doesn't have an L rail. It has only the S for the back and it just focuses on the back. So you would have a massage here from the neck all the way down to your back. You would have for your hands and for your legs. It doesn't go down to the bottom area. The reason that I'm telling you that is if you do a market research, you decide to buy a massage chair and you go from one side to the other. We noticed as well that a lot of sites doesn't even mention the type of rail it is. It just says that it's a full body massage. Um, and if you say the full body massage, it literally looks and sounds as if it's the same. But believe me, it's not. Um, if you have only an S rail, we take the bottom area out. The rollers itself, it's attached to the rail. So whenever a massage chair is built, depending on what type of rail it has, the engineers program the massages accordingly. Now, logically, if you are reducing the capability of the rail, that automatically reduces the capability of the rollers itself, and then it reduces the quality of the massage. Now, don't get me wrong, you have massage chairs. We had massage chairs as well that didn't have the L rail, but it was giving a very good experience, a very good massage. We had the normal as well, that a lot of elderly people bought it because for them it was enough. But believe me, when you sit in the chair and you try both types out, you will feel and experience a huge difference. That's one of the reasons why we have a showroom in Dublin um, where people can come and try it out because when you explain it to people, like ourselves as engineers or consultants, we can talk about the chairs for hours. Um, it's words, we can vaguely um, tell you or explain how it feels, but it's totally different when you sit in the chair and you feel the roller itself. You feel the different movement that the roller is doing because of the rail. Um, so yeah, whenever you look on websites and you're doing your own research, make sure that you ask the right questions. A very good example that I can give you so you can understand is when you have a laptop or a computer that is built on a basic level, and then you buy a game or software that has a very high spec, what's going to happen is when you install it and you're trying to run it, it's very slow or it doesn't even start because the specs of the program that you give the rollers or the game is very high, but the physical capability that it's able to do, it can't, because you're reducing its capabilities. It's not matching. Um, Keep in mind, every single massage chair that it's on the market, it's built. Every small little bit is a package. So ourselves as well, when we're building a massage chair, first thing that we're gonna ask ourselves, for whom we're building this massage chair for. What do they need? So, do you need the basic leg parts where you just have the air cushions and the rollers? Or you want to go for an upgrade where we're gonna do a massage for the calf as well, for the back area? Do we want to have a different type of roller? Like even the rollers, if we have one of the massage chairs, for example, that we have a very durable rubber on it and has small little knots at the end of the roller, it makes a huge difference. So again, that's why I always recommend for people, even when we're talking on the phone, I'll tell you what's the basic or what's the difference between the massage chairs. But if you have the time or the opportunity, come to our showroom and try it out, because 99.9% of the times people have their budget, they already know what type of massage chair they want to buy. They're just coming to the showroom to confirm that they like it, or they're coming just because of the color. But 99.9% of the time, people leave with a totally different massage chair because they realize I can actually give an extra 3, 4, 500 euro, and the experience is totally different. That's why, again, I say don't go by the description. If you have the opportunity to try the product out, do it. You know, so that's all about the SL type rails. Obviously, if you have any other questions, don't be afraid to get in contact with us, and we will happily answer any questions you might have. So have a lovely day.